All right, everybody, we're gonna make a 3-ingredient, 1-blender sauce. This one is with tomatoes, almonds, and just water. Oh yeah. You'd be amazed at how much flavor you can get out of this kind of tomato. These almonds, by the way, these are Marcona almonds. They're a little bit different. They're from Spain, and they have incredible flavor. If you have not yet tried a Marcona almond, please go get one. They're delicious. They're just different. And these are basically dried tomatoes that are canned in oil. So they have the benefit of being dehydrated, which intensifies their flavor, and then also all the oil that surrounds them takes on the flavor of the tomato. Believe it or not, these 2 ingredients alone will make a delicious sauce that you can use for basically anything. Let's start with these peeled, dried confit cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna start off with just a little bit of the oil and the water that comes with them. We'll determine later how much of this liquid we need. Don't overdo the liquids in the beginning, don't underdo the liquids. You want enough liquid to activate the blades. You want to make sure the blades are spinning and touching all the ingredients. But if you put too much liquid, it'll end up really, really thin and runny, and we're not looking for that either. I just want you to get that shot. I love that shot. There's whole videos devoted to that. Have you seen them? Where they change color? This is another great all-purpose sauce that I would use on everything from French fries to shrimp to grilled meat to grilled fish to poached chicken. You can see it's really smooth and creamy, which of course is thanks to the blender. This is completely different than other sauces I've made because it's sweet and tomatoey. But definitely has that toasted Marcona flavor, which is basically a smoky almond. And so totally different than anything you've probably tasted or tried, and I think you'll like it a lot. So different, so good. Oh yeah. You know what else this would be great on? Is pasta. This would be a great pasta sauce. This would be a great cold pasta sauce. So if you're gonna make a pasta salad that you wanna serve cold, use this almond tomato. Don't forget it.